Welcome and thank you for joining us. We are looking at a question that was done in KCSE 1999, paper 1, question number 24. And the question we have reads, the graph besides consists of an unquadratic part, that is containing the values of x between 0 and values less than 2, and a quadratic part that has values running from x is equals to 2 and x is equal to 8. The quadratic part is y is equals to x squared minus 3x plus 5. Complete the table below. Given the quadratic part of the equation y is equals to x squared minus 3x plus 5, we can use the values of x to complete the table by getting the values of y. When the value of x is positive 2, the value of y is 3, and when the value of y is 3, you take 3 squared minus 3 times 3 plus 5, and this one is going to give us 5. When the value of x is 4, you substitute 4 in the quadratic equation or expression. You are going to get the value of y as 9, and when x is 5, y is going to be 15. When x is 6, you get the value of y to be 23. And when it is 7, you substitute back, you'll get 33. And when it is 8, you'll get 45. Once you have gotten the values of y, we can give them strips: y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, and lastly y6. Remember part B of the question. Use the trapezoidal rule with 6 strips to estimate the area enclosed by the curve, x-axis, and the line x is equals to 2 and x is equals to 8. We are going to start by getting the height. And remember, using trapezium rule, the first thing is to get the height by taking the maximum value of x, which is 8, minus the minimum value of x, which is 2, divided by the number of strips. Remember, we are supposed to use 6 strips here. 8 minus 2 will give us 6. 6 divided by 6 will give us exactly a height of 1 unit. Once we have done that, area using trapezium rule is given by half sum of the ends, that is y0 and y6 as our ends, plus twice the middles, that is y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 plus y5. We can now substitute. Area will be equal to half of 1, that is half height. The height is 1 into the sum of the ends. y0 is 3 plus y6 is 45 plus twice into y1 is 5 plus 9 plus 15 plus 23 plus 33. This one will give us half of 1 is 0.5 into 3 plus 45 is 48 plus twice into 5 plus 9 plus 15 plus 23 plus 33 will give us 85. That means we are going to have 0.5 into 48 plus 85 times 2 will give us 170. And this one is going to give us 48 plus 170 multiplied by 0.5 will give us exactly 109 square units as the area of the region using trapezium rule. We go to part C. Part C, we are supposed to find exact area in region B. Exact area is obtained using integration, and therefore area is going to be equal to, this is the sign for integration, and we are going to integrate the given function between values of x is equals to 8 and x is equals to 2. Remember, the function we have is x squared minus 3x plus 5, and we are going to integrate it in respect to change in x. You can see that from the function given. So we are going to first integrate. Integration, we add 1 to the power, then you divide by the total new power. We are going to have x cubed. You divide by 3 minus, we are going to have, this is like x is raised to 1 plus 1 will give us 2, meaning we are going to have 3x squared divided by 2. Then for 5 we introduce the variable x. From there, after that integration process, we introduce the limits as 8 2. After that, we are going to substitute for the maximum value in this integrated part. We are going to have 8 cubed divided by 3 minus 3 into x, which is 8, squared divided by 2 plus 5 into x, which is 8. Then we minus the substitution of the minimum value of x. We are going to have x as 2 cubed divided by 3 minus 3 into x, which is 2, squared divided by 2. Then of course plus 5 times x, which is 2. 8 cubed is 512 divided by 3 minus 8 squared is 64 times 3, you get 192, divided by 2 plus 40, minus, we are going to have 8 over 3 minus 12 over 2 plus 10. This one is going to give us 114 and 2/3 minus 6 and 2/3, and this one is going to give us 108 square units as the exact area of that particular region using integration. After that, we move to part D of this question. If trapezoidal rule is used to estimate the area under the curve between x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 2, state whether it would give an underestimate or an overestimate. Give a reason for your answer. In this case, if we use trapezium rule between the regions x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 2, you realize the region is around this region here. And remember, this region is below that particular curve, meaning it would be an underestimate. So D, we can conclude and say it would be an underestimate since the line of the trapezium since the line of the trapezium will run below the curve in the given region. Thank you for watching and welcome to our discussions. And in case you are watching this channel for the first time, please take a second or two, you click the subscribe button so that anytime we publish a video like this, you'll automatically be given a notification. Thank you and welcome.